Hey there, I'm Ryan, the creator of Shareables. Over the next couple of minutes, I'm going to show you through the Shareables widget editor so you can get up and running and start publishing those widgets. Once you first land into the widget editor, you'll see this here, which is your widget preview. The widget preview will show how your widget looks and how it's going to look when you publish it. Now, you may already have information or data here if you chose to preset your data. Otherwise, if you need to change the data source at any point, just head up here to source. In here, you can either change the selected sheet if you're using a certain data source, or you can even change the data source that's currently connected. Now, when you change your data source that's currently connected, all you need to do is choose your account, manage and create a new connection if you need to, and then you can either use existing data or start completely fresh and we'll generate some data for you. After that's done, your data will populate in here. Now, the easiest way to start editing is go over to your preview and hover over an element that you may want to change. So for example, this here shows a little cog symbol. If we click this, in the sidebar here, it'll pop up where exactly you can edit that piece of the widget. So for example, if the item title, I can change the column that I'm using at my data source. I can change different font styles and much more things. Each part of your widget can be edited, from the badges to additional fields, to adding buttons as well. There's so much you can do. Have a look at the layout settings as well. There's a lot of great things here too. Now, you can also adjust how the details look for each of your widget individual pages. Here you can do all the same kind of configuration as well. And once you're happy, you can also customize a lot of other parts of your widget. For example, you can add search bars or filters or sorting. And you can even adjust the pagination for how many items that you want to display at once. All of these things are configurable in the filters tab on the side. As we go down, we also have design, which allows you to adjust wider things around your widget, and add-ons as well. So you can add gated content such as a password and add payment options too. When you're ready to publish, just go up here to the top right and publish your widget. Once publishing is finished, you'll be given this handy modal here where you can see how you can add your widget to your website. You can generate its own custom link, and you can even add custom domains as well. If you ever get stuck on anything, we have lots of helpful links back to our help documents too, so you can see how to get started and learn more too. Now, if you get stuck at all, just send me a message. I'm always happy to help, and any feedback, get in touch.